If you're a beginner looking to learn a new skill, online course sites are a dime a dozen. But what if you're past the beginner stage? If you're at the intermediate or advanced level, there's not a lot of options out there for you. That's the problem the education ecosystem solves.
Professional development is an industry that is worth about $306 billion. But most of the online education companies that exist today are all competing in the beginner space. That is why the education ecosystem is focused on people who have already passed the beginner stage.
Already, our beta has connected over 1 million professionals worldwide. And with our new education token, that number is only going to grow. The education token is an ERC20 token that lives on the Ethereum blockchain. That means it can be bought, sold, and traded outside of the ecosystem just like any other cryptocurrency. But our token exists primarily to power a new system of incentives, which will reward everyone who brings positive value to the ecosystem at any level. Learners will use education tokens to pay for their subscriptions, to donate to creators, request specific projects or materials, and engage in direct Q&A with project creators. In return, learners are rewarded for positive behavior, like practicing with project materials and watching projects. Similarly, project creators will be rewarded with tokens. The more view time their projects get, the more education tokens they receive. API creators who extend the platform's functionality will be rewarded with tokens as well. So will users who find and report bugs in the system. Education tokens are also used for governance. For example, holding education tokens will give users the power to vote on the future of the platform. Not just what projects are being created, but the features that the development team implements and what new project topics to support.
We have learned a lot from other token models, like Steemit, a blogging platform that rewards its users with tokens when they write awesome content. And the more power the users have, the more they create projects that matches with what viewers want to watch.
So how do we make sure these tokens have value? To start with, the token is designed to have as much utility as possible in the education ecosystem, meaning that as long as people are using the network, they will need tokens. And as the size of the user base grows, so does the demand for tokens. To help further offset this, a percentage of all tokens spent on subscriptions annually are burned, removing them from circulation and increasing the value of all remaining tokens. Finally, 13% of all the tokens created has been reserved as incentives for project creators over the next 3 years. Our goal is to have 10,000 new projects created in the next 3 years.
We want to partner up with schools, libraries, colleges, and other online education companies. Our mission is to be the place on the web for professional development, and our education token is a central part of that.